We offer nationwide connection to asphalt paving contractors in San Jose, California.
You need a new driveway or parking lot, but you're not sure where to start. It can be tough to know who to trust when it comes to asphalt paving. There are a lot of companies out there, and it's hard to know which one will do a good job and won't overcharge you. Evolve Asphalt Paving San Jose is the answer. We're a family-owned business that has been in the asphalt paving business for over many years. We're licensed and insured, and we always use high-quality materials, so your new driveway or parking lot will last for years to come. Contact us today for a free estimate. Connect with San Diego Asphalt Paving Contractor now 66954400734.